Welcome to the highlights of Match 9 of the Pakistan Junior League. Encounter between Gujranwala Giants and Gwadar Sharks. Toss was won by Gujranwala Giants and their captain Uzair Mumtaz decided they'll bowl first. Gujranwala Giants yet to get on the mark on the points table, making 4 changes in the 11 today. Whereas the Gwadar Sharks go unchanged with their winning streak on. Let's join our commentators as the action begins in Match 9 at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. This is all open. Let's play. Good shape. Just leaving that left-hander's bat. And good carry as well. Edge and gone through. It probably didn't carry. The keeper was just half-hearted thinking, is it going to the first slip? Oh, he's clipped it. I was just going to say, Tino, that what happens is he does tend to expose his leg stump when he tries to work something. It wasn't a very good delivery.
Look at that, how far across he gets to the leg side. He'll be disappointed, as you say.
And he's straight away off the mark with that boundary. Full on the pads, put away.
Yeah, line wrong, length wrong.
Shot. It was width available and Benkenstein won't spare. Nicely done through the line. It was too full and Benkenstein just plays it with a straight bat.
Yeah, straight as an arrow.
Oh, he's missed it. It was slightly short and it's pulled away. That should have been stopped by the fielder at mid-wicket in the circle. Oh, that is a soft dismissal. That is a soft dismissal. That was a ball you never expect to take a wicket on.
This is bizarre. Short, he can hit that ball anywhere he wants. I think he wanted to get it finer of that man. You can see him making a concerted effort to try and sweep the ball. That's a clean strike. Nice fluent swing and gets half a dozen. Good start to the innings for Minhas.
Arafat Minhas has been extremely impressive in this Pakistan Junior League.
Cleaned him up. Playing across the line of the ball, always risky. Hassan Ali Jr. But his father will be proud of him. That's his first wicket, and it's a big one.
He's really enjoyed that wicket. Luke Benkenstein, he was looking dangerous. Played across the line. And the spinner, using that carom ball, gets the big wicket. Look at that celebration, what it means to him.
Cut away again. It's a good shot. A little bit of pace on from Trump.
That's a good take. Oh, I thought he got it. He's missed that, but the attempt was good. Let's have the signal, yes. That's why it's got to reload that. That's well done. Another boundary, just a gentle touch, just slightly opening the face and taking the score to 91 for 3 at the end of 12. Oh, there's a chance of the non-strikers. Trouble, gone. Arafat Minhas were in no mood for that single, but Ibrahim just kept on going.
No,
They know that they're putting the fielders under pressure. And just that little bobble. Ultimately, yes, it is Daniel Ibrahim's call. Surely there was never a run there.
got a top edge of it, and this is an opportunity. That's a big wicket, I tell you that. Arafat Minhas has been scoring for the Sharks, and this time around, he's gone with 7 overs available.
Whether this bounces, I'm not so sure, but I think he's trying to get on top of it. No, he doesn't know. He actually goes up, and hence why he's giving an opportunity to Chevon Daniel, who takes a good catch.
Bowled him. I think he's just trying to hold the pace back here. Not the bounce that the batsman expected. This is a different type. Just rolling it. Should be taken. He was searching for that boundary, as you mentioned, Tino. Didn't get hold of it. Yeah, the more they continue to lose these wickets, the Sharks, the more difficult it's going to be for them to try and get to that 135 mark that you're talking about, Darren. This one's just got onto him quickly. He's just trying to heave that away. Good catch in the end from Waqas. Another slow ball. So unlucky as it runs away for 4. The thinking was the right one, but it often happens in T20 cricket. There's another one, but it will find a fielder. They've been searching for a boundary. Yeah, it's the slow ball again. No, short and wide. He's actually hit it quite well. I didn't realize he coached you, tough man. Run out. Trying to eke every single run. Was a play and a miss. Striker just advanced and ended up in no man's land. How soft a dismissal this is. Maybe he was lured by the call from his partner. Slapped over that short fine leg. It might run away. And it does. So welcome boundary for the Sharks as we approach the final over. Does go full, and it's a dot delivery and a wicket too. Direct hit. Surely the striker run out.
So at the end of 20 overs, 131 all out Gwadar Sharks. Their batters in form, Shamil Hussain couldn't get runs today. Berkenstein looked good for a while with 26 of 20. Minhas once again proving that he is an integral part of the side, scoring 37 of 30. The rest of the batters batted around them and managed only 131. Great bowling from Gujranwala Giants, got a few run-outs going, and then of course Ibtisam and Hassan Ali Jr., the changes made today, grabbed 2 wickets apiece, with Aspinwall, Aspan and Trong grabbing 1 each. So the target at 6.6 runs in over, 132 to win over 120 balls. Let's join the action.
That's why they have changed the opening pair. Hasnain Majid up the top. Hamza Nawaz is there.
Come on, come on.
This time he gets connection and he might earn a boundary. It's just slowing down a little bit and has gone for 4. Just couldn't flick it back.
This is exactly what Gujranwala Giants were looking for. The boundary of the bat of Hasnain Majid. He has been promoted up the order. This time a better connection. He was on the top of the ball, on the up he played, right from the middle of the bat. The fielder tried his best, but couldn't throw the ball back.
Just working it away.
That's not the correct line. A boundary to end the over. 2 boundaries in this. It's now 15 for no loss after 3. That's a good shot. It's very full and it's been given. Took a little few seconds extra. Yeah, we're just checking if there's no edge, but it's been given out. And it doesn't seem like it's going to miss any part of the stumps for it to be overturned. It's angling away, and just at the point of impact, you can see it might clip leg. Just part of leg stump.
Ghaffar Kazmi is the third umpire. Let's see what he decides. And the decision remains. The on-field umpire was spot on.
It's high in the air. It should be out, should be taken. Yes, the captain takes the catch. So the second opener also joins his partner in the dugout. Nawaz has to walk, and Gujranwala are not looking good with 18 for 2.
And Sir Vivian is happy because the team is fighting. They believe they are a good bowling unit and they are showing it. Both the new ball bowlers, 1 wicket apiece. Hamza Nawaz tried to pull it. The ball got big on him. And a good catch, simple catch for the captain Shamil Hussain.
And that's clean. And falls just within the boundary line, but goes for 4. And that's a fantastic result for this Giants team. Full toss. Helped with a blunder in the field. He will get 4. And this will help their scoring rate.
Catch it, catch it.
That's a terrific stroke, but went straight to the fielder. Nazim just couldn't hold on. Is this the luck required to shift? Enough bat on this one to get another boundary in the over, so things looking up for the Giants. That run rate increasing. Already 9 runs from the over with a delivery remaining. That was the wrong on. Did he get hold of it? He doesn't. And Saad Masood takes a fine catch to break this partnership.
You won't see how he moved as well from the monitor. When I saw him running around the boundary live here, kept his eye on the ball, timed it perfectly. And then puts in the dive, good control, made sure the elbows didn't hit the ground and give the ball an opportunity to pop out of the hands.
Might be a stumping, might be another wicket. Smart work by the wicketkeeper. This is brilliant cricket all round.
This is brilliant work. A fantastic bit of wicket keeping.
Fabulous work behind the stumps.
He's gone. It's a googly. He's played all round it, nowhere close, and Gujranwala Giants are looking to wrap this up early.
Tom Aspinwall goes back to a googly, little inside edge. It's a beautiful delivery. And the man from England had no answers. There he goes, the great man.
It's a thick outside edge. That race won't be won. 4 valuable runs for Gujranwala Giants.
Do their first child, full toss, put away, poor delivery. We've seen a couple of them, so just keep your eye out on the bowler, that whether it's just getting a bit dewy and the ball is just slipping a little bit. problem is they keep losing wickets. Once again, spin. Matthew Tromp goes back to a fullish delivery, doesn't really spin, it just skids. It skids on. And Mushtaq Ahmed. Cut through the keeper's legs. And this should run all the way for a boundary. So a boundary for Chevon Daniel.
That should go to the boundary. That's hit well. That's timed well by Chevon Daniel. So 2 boundaries. This looks like a good over. 13 gone, 76 for 6. You want to do everything, right? There we go. Boundary, or the dew is going to slow it down. No, it reaches the boundary. 4. And that should be out. If it's bat first, it's out. It was quick. Bat couldn't come down in time.
Lovely to see you smiling and enjoying yourself. Come and get involved. In the air, decided to take it on. This could be not just a wicket, the match as well. It is the big wicket of Chevon Daniel. He knew he had to take it and try and win it.
And Chevon Daniel couldn't do any different, realizing he's running out of partners, so he has to score big and score quickly. Was nowhere close to clearing that boundary there. In fact, the captain was in a good position. 6 wickets are spinners, and they make it 7. Well, surely this match is getting wrapped up pretty quickly. Gujranwala Giants are just falling like dominoes.
Wow, what a performance from him. 37 with the bat. He's now bowled 2 overs and got 4 for 13.
And there it is. Final nail on the coffin. What an emphatic victory for this Sharks team once again, when they looked like they would be put under pressure with a total of 131. Their bowlers, they've risen like a phoenix and done the job. They go on to win by 44 runs.
Well, as you can see, the Gujranwala Giants made a mess of the chase. 132 to win the match, and they couldn't get to 100 even. 87 all out in 15.4 overs. It was only Chevon Daniel who stood his ground for a while, scored 28 of 26, but kept running out of partners, and eventually it was 87 all out. The bowlers have to be given the credit. 8 wickets for spinners. And have a look at the man who's always there with the bat and with the ball. Minhas, who's got 4 wickets for 13 in just 2 overs. Brilliant performance from him, winning the player of the match hands down. Rest of the bowlers chipped in, Masood and Qamar getting 2, Ismail and Shoaib 1 wicket apiece, and they wrapped it up like a team. Gwadar Sharks won this match by 44 runs, a big margin that. They were asked to bat first, and 131 all out in their 20 overs. Probably wouldn't have really fancied winning the 2 points today, but the bowlers were right on the money, and Gujranwala Giants had no answer, struggled throughout the 15.4 overs and only managed 87. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of match 9 of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, goodbye.